I guess God didn't find no replacement for Tupac yet. As soon as God finds a replacement for Tupac, I'm gone. But until he do, I'll be here doing what he want me to do.
But you know, I'm thinking though, the comparison though is only because some of your vibe is similar. Not that you take anything from him, but you have that same kind of powerful driving energy and a real knowledge coming from your work. And there's certain
there was a void that he left open when he died.
Okay.
I don't fill that void, but I do feel part of that void because. I'm not saying I'm going to rule the world or I'm going to change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will change the world. And that's our job, is to spark somebody else watching us. We might not be the ones, but let's not be selfish, and because we're not going to change the world, let's not talk about how we should change it. I don't know how to change it, but I know if I keep talking about how dirty it is out here, somebody's going to clean it up.